Okay, before I show you how to do the example, let's quickly review what a hyperbole is. Remember, a hyperbole is obvious exaggeration used to emphasize a point or add excitement or humor to the story. For example, he is the worst person alive. They're exaggerating that he is the worst person alive. There's no way to prove that. So, once again, obvious exaggeration used to emphasize a point or add excitement or humor to a story. Okay, with that being said, we are going to look at the hyperbole practice that is under figurative language. So with the last hyperbole practice, you just had to tell me whether it had exaggeration or not. With this one, you're going to tell me what is being exaggerated and what does it mean. So for example, I have an endless list of things to do. What am I exaggerating? The endless list. Okay, it says my list never ends. So what does it mean? I have a lot of things to do. Okay, so what is being exaggerated? It's the fact that I have an endless list, because we all know that lists can end. And then what does it mean? It means that I have a lot of things to do. Now you will have 4 examples to work out, and that will finish up your figurative language assignments for today. Okay, so just 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Remember, what is being exaggerated, and then what does it mean?